Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. We are going to be unboxing November 2020 Boxycharm. This is a $25 a month box. It is makeup and skincare now, I think is how that they are describing this box. I would like to go over last month's Boxycharm first. I have seen that I do better that way to explain how I use the products and what I thought of them. For October, it was Candy Shop. We got the 5-piece Luxie brushes, which I have not used. They are in my backup for when I need them. I don't need them yet, so I have not used these. I'm sure that they are wonderful. Luxie brushes are very, very good brushes. Then I got the Sol de Janeiro, the lip butter. This is in Keep It Rio. I have the dark one also. Besides the smell, I have been loving this. I have been using it, as you can tell from how much is gone. Then I received the Farsali Quench. This I have been using. I did use it today underneath my makeup. I was very unsure how to use it at first. You do have to have your face moist, wet, just not dry for this to actually work. Once you get the hang of it, this is an amazing product. I do like it. And I think it retailed for $24, which is quite affordable for what it does for your skin. Then we got this Ciate London Editor's Palette. That is what I have on my eyes today. It did come out very pretty. I did use the darker of the colors. I liked it. I've used it about 4 times now. I will say that the shimmers move, but all in all, that happens with almost every palette. This is, again, what that palette looked like. It's pretty. I like it. I know a lot of people had mixed reviews on it. I guess it depends on what you like in a formula and what somebody else likes. I liked it. I know some people didn't. And then the last and the star of the show is the lashes we got. And they are from Lava Lashes, Los Angeles. They are in the style Charm. I know that these were in Boxy Pop-Up. I was unable to participate in that this time. Had some personal life issues take that up. So I was unable to get them. I know that they retailed for $3 a pair, which on their website, these are $20 a pair. I absolutely love these lashes. If you got these lashes and you want to sell them, please do hit me up either here or on IG. I am very much interested in that. So let's go ahead and, oh yes, and that was $135.99, and I had gotten version 55. So let's go ahead and get into November's box. I do know that the Natasha Denona Peak palette is something that is going around. I know a lot of people are hoping to get that palette. Now, I did try the Natasha Denona Love palette. It was not my favorite formula ever. I did end up selling that palette. So, Natasha Denona and me are kind of on the fence. So, if I did get it, I am going to try it. We'll see if round 2 is any better than round 1. So there is a little peek of what is in our box. We do have a card. The theme for November's box is Harvest. I absolutely love the card this month. It is very pretty. I got Variation 17. So we are going to start with my choice item, and I picked the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. This retails for $24. It's a tinted eyebrow gel. Contains tiny microfibers that adhere to the skin and the hairs. I have been waiting to have this in a full size For some time now, I did not bite the bullet and try and buy it myself. But I'm super glad that I finally got it in a box, and I've used it before. I know that I like it. So having a full size in my arsenal, I'm very much happy for this. Again, it was my choice item. So we're not going to give a big ol' hee-haw for it because that is what I picked. The next thing I am seeing is from Jekka Black. This is a liquid corrector in 2.0. That is what it looks like. And it says this retails for $15. It is the perfect under eye brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's just in a little bitty squishy tube. It is 2.0, 0.34 fluid ounces. It has this kind of tip applicator on it. Oh. Wow. I totally was not expecting that. It's like a pink color. That is what it looks like. That is so much. And then when you blend it out, it does blend out. And that is what it looks like after you blend it. So, ew. And it smells like paint. So I can't wait to try that. We will give it a try. The smell is less than desirable. So if you get that, do keep it in mind. It's got a bit of a smell. The next thing we got is from Yensa. This is Yensa Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. This retails for $45. It's a 2-in-1 mask with 8 orange skin loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes. So I do like exfoliators, whether it be face or body. Turmeric and pumpkin are both very good ingredients for your skin, your face, your body, all of that. I'm not real big on the smell of orange, but all in all, I will try it. And this is 2.5 fluid ounces, and it is full, so we will try that. I know that I have used the Yensa primer before. It was not one of my favorites, so we will definitely give that a chance. The next thing we got was from Volution. This is a snow mushroom water serum. I know this is a Boxycharm video, but I do want to take a minute here since the mushroom threw me off. Today is the day that Raw Beauty Christy came out with her collaboration with ColourPop. The mushroom, it's in my brain. I can't help it. I'm sorry, guys. But I do want to say congratulations to her. It is a beautiful collection. It does come out this Thursday, 11/12. So if you want to pick that up, and I'm sure it's going to be a limited edition because it's Raw Beauty Christy, but has anybody else... The year 2020 has just been so difficult on so many people. But I'm telling you, Christy has had an amazing year this year with the pregnancy, the collaboration with Pure, now the collaboration with Color Mom. She has done it. I am so proud of her. I have been watching her for a very, very long time. She's come a very long way. So I just wanted to put my part in there and say congratulations. And the mushroom threw me off, so Boxycharm, you're in part to blame for that. But this is what we received and what it came in. And it says, let's see. It is a ultra hydrating serum powered by the superfood snow mushroom to minimize the look of pores and leave skin visibly plumper and healthier looking. And this retails for $62, guys. So I don't know what a snow mushroom is. It is a water serum. The fact that it says water in the name of it makes me okay to think that it's a good product. This is what it looks like outside of the box. It is a glass jar. Let's see if I can open it. Dogs just got up, so I do apologize for that. But they're not in here with me unboxing stuff. I get no smell from it. And it is a clear gel-like formula, very runny, as you can see. It feels very nice. It feels very hydrating. And still, I have no smell, but you can see the difference from having it on and not having it on. So I will definitely try that out. It does dry down. And it feels very smooth, so I will have to read more on that and find out exactly how to use that. There is a Natasha Denona is treating charmers to 25% off site-wide. Visit natashadenona.com and use code NDXBOXY to save on all your Natasha Denona faves for 25% off. So if you would like to use that, there is the code. I do believe the Sephora VIB sale is over, so you would have to go to her site. But still, 25% off is a good deal. And then the last thing we got in here is the Natasha Denona Peak palette. Now this is a palette that was made exclusively for Boxycharm. These colors are in her other palettes, and it's a very pretty palette. I have seen spoilers, and this is what that palette looks like. Very fall vibes. So let's see. I know that Natasha Denona is a very pricey company, brand, however you want to say that. That retails for $48, a 5 palette. Yeah, a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm-toned eye pigments that are mixed and matched from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Compressed of both creamy, matte, and metallic formulas for the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes. You will find yourself reaching for this all season long. So, those are the palettes that this palette was drawn from. I am interested in trying it. I will say that this thing has some weight to it. I do know that this is the middle class of the 5-pan palettes. Her other ones are much smaller. And then there is this size, and then the $65 palettes, which would be like the Love palette. And then her new Trio Chrome palette would be $129. So, pick and choose your battles on what you want to spend on eyeshadow. I would never spend $48 on a 5-pan palette. But that is me. Especially since I have tried her formula and I was not impressed with it. We will be trying it. I am not going to swatch it right now, but we will be doing a look with that. So let me find my phone and see what our retail value was. What did y'all think about the box? All in all, I've got some new things that I have never tried before. Some different things that I have tried from the same brand. I'm super excited about the brow gel, which sounds funny, but I am. Okay, let's get our calendar. So we have $48 for the palette. We had $62 for the Snow Mushroom Water Serum. And this is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. Oh. And then we had the Benefit Brows, Gimme Brow for $24. We had the Yensa Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Polishing Mask for $45. And then we had the Beccas Black Liquid Corrector, and it was $15. So the total retail value for my box was $194. For paying 25 bucks, I think that's an amazing deal. I did get variation 17, like I said earlier. So do comment down below. Let me know what you thought about my box. Let me know what you got in your box. Did you get the Natasha Denona palette? I know that Joe said that there were going to be plenty to go around, but I'm sure that somebody did not get it. I don't know if it was in add-ons. I don't believe it was. I did go take a sneak peek. I filled my cart. And then I bummed out the rest of the day. So let me know if this was in there. Let me know if you picked it up. Let me know if you got it and what your thoughts are about it. If you have any of these products that I just showed you and have tried them, let me know your thoughts on it. If you're new here, hi, I'm Becca. It is very nice to meet you. I'm so glad that you tuned into this video. I do hope that you take a chance, hit that subscribe button, possibly give me a thumbs up, and come back and see all the new content that I will be putting out. So that's it, guys. That is my video. Thank you very much for watching. I love you very much. As always, I do appreciate all the support. And until next time, guys, that's it. Have a good one. Bye.